Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Flanagan. Today, we're going to be talking about sharing. And you are very good at sharing in school when we share toys or share games or take turns. But sometimes you have to share objects or things. For example, look at these crackers here. What if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crackers, and you have 3 friends to share the crackers with? How could you share them so that it's fair and everybody gets the same amount? Do you see what they did here? They gave her 1 cracker, then they gave 1 to him, and then they gave 1 to her. And then they still had more left over. So they gave her another 1, him 1, and her 1. It's kind of hard to see because they did it for us. So we're going to try sharing some cookies, just like they did in the story we just read. So we're going to start off with 3 friends. We have, whose name is that? Asia, Brian A, and Jacob. And let's see how many cookies we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cookies. Now, how can we make this fair? Do we just say, some for Asia, some for Brian, and some for Jacob? Would that be fair? I don't think so. I have an idea. What if we start like this? Asia gets 1, Brian gets 1, and Jacob gets 1. Asia gets another 1, Brian can have another 1, and Jacob can have another 1. Then we have 1 for Asia, 1 for Brian, and 1 for Jacob. And look, we have 3 cookies left. That works out because we have 3 friends. 1 for Asia, 1 for Brian, and 1 more for Jacob. How many cookies does each friend have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Asia has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brian has 4. And Jacob has 4 too. I can tell because I see 2 and 2 more, and they all look the same. But just like in the story, what happens if the doorbell rang? And who was it? It was Yami. And before they started to eat their cookies, Yami came over. How can we share these cookies with Yami too? Okay, I think we have to start over. Do you think everybody can still have 4 cookies? I don't know. Let's see. 1 for Asia, 1 for Brian, 1 for Jacob, 1 for Yami. 1 for Asia, 1 for Brian, 1 for Jacob, and 1 for Yami. 1 for Asia, 1 for Brian, 1 for Jacob, and 1 for Yami. Is that fair? Did everybody get the same number of cookies? Yes. Asia has 1, 2, 3. Brian has 3. Jacob has 3. And Yami has 3. Good job making fair shares, friends. Now, if your mommy has a printer, you can print out cookies to color, and you can practice sharing the cookies with your family. And you can color this. I want you to count how many cookies the Cookie Monster has and write the number right here in this rectangle. I'm going to give you a clue. It's more than 10. Okay, friends, have fun with the cookies.